Congratulations on receiving your new Masalo cuff. So that you can enjoy your freedom from pain as quickly as possible, it's important to put on the Masalo cuff correctly, but don't worry, it's quick and easy. In addition to the cuff, you'll also find detailed instructions for use in the packaging. Please be sure to read all the information in this booklet before watching this video, and also make use of all the information on our website, where you will also find a valuable application guide with photos, case studies, and much more. Ready? Then let's get started. Take the cuff out of the packaging and adjust the two Velcro fasteners to the widest position. You can also leave the fasteners open. Just make sure that the straps do not slip out of the plastic eyelets. Then slide the cuff over your hand and arm until the forearm cuff with the Masalo logo sits approximately in the center of the forearm. Then adjust the strap of the forearm cuff so that it has a firm grip and cannot be pushed any further towards the elbow. This aspect is very important. Please check once again that the forearm cuff is really far enough away from the crook of the elbow. Please pause this video now. Only resume playback when the forearm cuff is positioned as shown and has sufficient distance to the elbow. For further orientation, there is a small mark below the upper arm strap, which should be in the center, as shown here in the video, as well as in the illustration. If everything fits correctly, bend the arm strongly, slide the upper arm strap over the elbow, and close it so that the cuff is a snug fit in this position and already creates a slight tension. When you then stretch your arm, you should feel the counter traction, meaning you should only be able to stretch your arm fully with a little effort and some force. We show you how to put on the upper arm strap from different angles. Incidentally, the tighter the upper arm strap is adjusted, the greater the effect and relief. Please pause this video again. Please only resume playback when you've adjusted the upper arm strap a little tighter, and if you can only fully extend your arm with a certain amount of force and feel the counter traction. Congratulations! Your Masalo cuff is now effectively fitted. Please check once again that your forearm cuff has sufficient distance to the elbow. If the upper arm strap is correctly adjusted, you should now also see small bulges when you stretch your arm, basically slightly compressed tissue in the area of the tendon insertions. The injured tendons are now relieved and can heal. To feel this relief, take, for example, a water bottle in your hand and hold it forwards with your arm stretched out and the back of your hand facing upwards. What should cause severe pain with a classic tennis elbow without the cuff must lead to immediate, significant pain relief or even freedom from pain if the diagnosis is correct and the cuff is applied effectively. This test is not ideal for golfer's elbow, but here too you should immediately feel relief in your everyday life. Feel free to try out different settings. For instance, adjust the upper arm strap a little tighter for intentional strains such as work or sport, and a little looser at night and in everyday life. It's important that the arm can always be moved and stretched normally and is not immobilized. Finally, a few general tips. If you're using our size 2, for example, and the straps are a little long, you can easily run the upper arm strap behind the cuff and fasten it there. You'll find an optional silicone strap in the cuff. This is designed to ensure that the cuff stays in place even when it is very loose. You're welcome to try using the cuff without this silicone strip. The hold is then hardly any worse, and the wearing comfort may even be increased. If you feel relief and wear the cuff regularly, you should soon be able to rid your injury and be active again quickly. If you're unsure whether the cuff fits correctly or you simply have questions for us, please feel free to contact us at any time. The best way to do this is to use our contact form. And we wish you a speedy recovery.